Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer, and right now I'm heading over to the Seminole pumpkin area where we planted exactly 12 seeds that we purchased off of eBay from seller T.Farms. That's T.F as in Frank, A as in Apple, R as in Roger, M as in Mary, S as in Sam, T.Farms. And I can tell you right now that this is a pure native to Florida. And out of the 12 seeds, we have 10 that have germinated. Now that's a uniquely high germination rate for any type of seed. So we're really happy right now with this germination rate. Looking forward to these growing like weeds, because I want to get a high yield this year, and I want to be able to share with all of you that high yield. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Stay tuned, because we'll be updating you on the progress of these Seminole pumpkins going forward. Thanks for watching and have a good day.